So I think in our last video I was showing you guys when we were talking about at Epcot how this baby loves splash pads. This is the Celebration splash pad, and you can see that she ran all the way from the end of the sidewalk, or the corner there, to the splash pad. This was what entertains this baby. You found your sweet spot. What a great little splash pad. Yeah, she's so excited. This is all this baby wants, is a little splash pad time. And this is a great one. And look, you overlook the lake here at Celebration. It's so much fun. Are you having fun, baby? Yeah, I think that's a yes. Oh. What's going on, guys? It's Steve. I'm out here at Celebration with Susanna and, of course, baby girl. And we're playing at the little splash pad. I want to show you what the splash pad looks like here at Celebration. If you ever happen to come over here, maybe to have a little dining experience at Celebration Town Tavern, or if you want to go over to a little Mexican restaurant here. I can always forget the name of it. Maybe I can read it or not. I don't think I can see it, the glare off the lake. But anyway, maybe bring your little swimsuit and a little towel and take the kids in the Celebration splash pad. It's so much fun. Our baby girl thoroughly enjoys it. Look how much fun she's having. Wow, look at you. I see an alligator. I think so. I'm going to see what I think so. Right there in the lake. It looks like an alligator floating. Oh, baby.
Mommy.
Are you having fun, honey? Oh.
Mommy.
What happened? She got water in her eyes. Oh, there she goes. Yeah. It's so cute. It's so much fun. Wow. Whoa. Careful, don't fall. It's not finished yet. No, no, no. She loves to put her hands in the little thing shooter. This little shot of water. Oh, I love her little shoes. Very cute. So while baby girl is playing, and there's Mama. Wave, honey. Wow. Oh my goodness. Are you excited? I don't think it's her favorite thing in the world. So actually, I'll just kind of give you like a little breakdown of where we are. So there's like the cool little Celebration walking path, goes all the way around behind the Celebration Hotel, comes up to where the restaurants are in Market Street and the Celebration Town Tavern, comes all the way around to Kilwin's Ice Cream, the old movie theater. So much fun. This is part of like why I love living in Orlando so much, or living near Disney. Yeah, you just have all these little cool communities, including Celebration. And I can say one thing right now, like as a kid coming down here in the early 90s, if I had known that today I'd live like within a stone's toss of Celebration, I never would have believed it. So it's fun that like my little baby girl gets to enjoy this. Fun splash pad. Alrighty, well, we just finished up at the Fun Splash Pad. I think we were there for about 45 minutes. We're gonna start heading back towards the car, but as we go towards the car, I thought I would just kind of show you guys a little bit of Celebration, little downtown area. That was the Kilwins, the white building there. Hi, honey. Is she wore down a little bit? I think so. All of her energy is burned. Yay! I love this little spot here. You can pull up a little table and chairs. They got the little rocking chairs. Sit and enjoy the view. Of course, Celebration Town Tavern that I've done many dining reviews at before down there. You can probably see the orange awning. Fantastic New England seafood, New England owners. Very good place. Of course, this is Market Street during, well, heck, in a couple of months, this will be Christmas.
Yeah, right.
Street will be closed. They have the little like fake ice skating, the big giant Christmas tree. Oops. It's gonna be, you got it? It's really actually nice, right? Yeah. And not only to come down here to Market Street to see the Christmas tree, but to also go check out all the decorated houses. Oh, thank you. To go see all of the little decorated houses in Celebration. I always forget, what's the main road that has all the decorated houses on it? Oh, I can't remember. No, it'll come to me though. Maybe I'll put it on the screen right below, actually. Little pizza spot. That one always gets really good reviews. The what? Oh yeah, the Venezuelan bakery, but they have like Brazilian stuff too. Venezuelan, I guess overall South American bakery. They have the Brazilian cheese bread, which is one of my absolute favorites. What is your favorite in there? I should know.
Some cakes there that they have. You like that?
What, do you want to run in there real quick? It's the Fortuna Bakery. Let's go into Fortuna Bakery. I'm not gonna lie, I am starving. I'm so hungry. And it does smell good down here, but I don't know. Yeah, it is dangerous when I'm very hungry. Susanna learned that a long time ago. Titini is another popular restaurant here. I've tried it one time before, but only during the pandemic, and it was delivered. I didn't think it was all that, but you know what? Anything delivered, you're definitely, especially with Chinese food, I think, or Asian food, not getting the best representation of what they offer. So definitely would like to try Titini again in person. But let's head inside of Fortuna Bakery. Fortuna. Very cool. Oh, it does look amazing. Look at all the cakes. That's a fruit tart, passion fruit, lemon pie. Look at the cannolis. Which one? That is a tiramisu. The Oreo cheesecake. Look at that. You know I love Oreo. Raspberry cheese. These are all cheesecakes. Caramel flan, bread pudding. Oh my gosh. Everything looks so good. Strawberry rolls. The full cakes. The cheese rolls are down there. Is everything in this side more savory, I think, or kind of mixed? What is this one? It's a arepa de choclo, sweet corn pie, loaf bread, braided cheese bread. That's supposed to be really good. But usually I get these, the Bono. Yeah, I guess that's what it is, right? Yeah. I'm a little nervous, so they only have one. If they only have one, who gets it? You. Well, that's fair enough. I guess if there's one, I get it. Do you have more of the Bono, the Brazilian rolls, or that's the last one?
That's the last one.
Okay. Is the pan de queso similar?
Yeah.
Is it the same thing? It's just one is flat and one is a ball?
Exactly.
Ah. And what about the braided cheese bread? Is that similar too, or that's a totally different thing?
No, that is a cheese bread, regular.
It's a regular cheese bread too?
Yeah. It's very good.
How much is that one? The braided one?
It's
$5.50 for the big piece?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get one of the big braided one, and then I'll take the Bono roll, if I'm saying that correctly. Honey, how about dessert? I know you're looking at desserts down there.
Dark chocolate, strawberry.
Oh my God, look at these chocolate chip cookies. You know what? I know what I want as a dessert. I'm gonna get it. Guys, look at these chocolate chip cookies. They're amazing. Double, well, the chocolate chip. Oh, I'm sorry, here it is. Double chocolate cookie. Were these cookies always here? How did I miss these before? Oh my gosh, they look amazing. Yum. Cones, Bavarian cream cone. Guava cheese pastry, cheese turnover, guava turnovers. Oh my gosh, everything looks amazing. What are you looking at down here? What are you thinking?
Look, I'll take this.
Tiramisu?
No, the dark chocolate strawberry. This one.
Yeah, what does that say? It's a dark chocolate, milk chocolate, strawberry. It's like both dark and milk chocolate. I mean, it looks great. Looks amazing. I think I'm gonna just get just a chocolate chip cake. Yum, yum. So we have the bread, we have the roll. I'm gonna get one chocolate chip cookie.
Okay.
And then she's gonna get the dessert down there at the end as well. Oh, looks good. And then they have a whole selection. Looks like the specialty espresso coffees. You can take a look at those up on the menu boards. Really, really cool little spot. So when you come down here to Celebration, definitely it's a spot you can come grab a little dessert, sit outside by the water, have a little coffee. What a cool little bakery. Love this one. All right, I'm gonna settle up and I'll catch you guys in a minute. All right, well, we just settled up inside of the Fortuna Bakery. I can't wait to get home and try some of the goodies. That little like twisted cheese bread looks awesome. The chocolate chip cookie looks swell. Top of Market Street. This is like a little fountain, little tree area. Very, very cool area. Are we stopping for baby? Let me see. Look at you all bundled up in your towel. You've burned all your energy. You've been playing in the water for almost an hour. Taitini does look nice. Look at the ambiance. We have to come in here and eat one time. What a romantic little spot with the fountain. Honey, you want to sit with me in the romantic spot by the fountain? You want to sit with me in the fountain? How about next time?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's head to the car. It does look cool. I wouldn't mind one day living in Celebration, right? Although you do hear stories is like the homeowners that they've had issues or whatever over the years with like the construction. I've heard issues like mold and that type of, yeah, I don't know how true all that stuff is, but it's out there on the internet. You can read about it. Well, look at the little cute little post office. We use that post office from time to time. Sometimes, especially during the holidays when it's very busy. Look at this person's walking on giant stilts down there. See that? That's interesting. I guess there's no time better to practice stilt walking than here at Celebration in the evening, right?
Yep.
Yeah. So I think we'll wrap this video up then, right? Are we done?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, guys, you got a little taste of Celebration. What Steve and Suzanne would like to do to entertain the baby during the week or on a Sunday evening. She loves Splash Pad. This kind of will help explain why she was going crazy last night at Epcot at the fountain, because to her the fountain is a splash pad, and she was like, Papa, why won't you let me in this splash pad? So we bring her here, she enjoys it. It's a lot of fun. I think like if you're gonna, on your vacation or whatever, like add a day, like just cruise around Orlando and check out stuff, and you decide to come by Celebration, maybe eat at one of the restaurants or see the decorations during the holidays. If you got a little one, maybe bring a towel, change your clothes, and want to play in the splash pad. Is that it?
Yeah.
That's it then. Okay. All right. That's it. And all right, guys, we're almost at the vehicle, so I'll wrap the video. Have a great one. Make sure you're subscribed, and thanks always to the new subscribers and all of you guys that have been all of y'all that have been subscribed for many years. So we appreciate it. And thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. All right, guys, take care. We'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Baka. Adios. Okay. All right.